Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Stash account. Open the Stash app or website and tap Sign Up to begin. Follow the prompts to enter your email, create a secure password, and verify your phone number. Next, provide your full name, social security number, and date of birth for identity verification. Link a bank account for funding and deposits, and review the terms before confirming your new Stash account. Verify your email and phone number immediately to keep your account secure and avoid delays. When Stash asks for identity verification, enter your SSN exactly and upload a government ID if required. Watch for micro deposits from your linked bank account and confirm the exact amounts to finalize the connection. Enabling two-factor authentication adds protection. After verification, you can decide how you will fund the account by setting up one-time or recurring deposits from your linked bank. Start small to reduce pressure and explore diversified ETFs or fractional shares to spread risk across companies. Use Stash's themed investments or goals feature to match your money to priorities like retirement or an emergency fund. Track performance regularly, rebalance when needed, and adjust contributions as your situation changes for steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.